Namaste everyone. Welcome to this daily 20 minutes yoga session by Yogway. Let's start with centralizing the breath. Before that, let me tell you today's session will be completely devoted to sun salutation. We will practice a few rounds of sun salutation. So, let's start with centralizing the breath. Close your eyes. Keep your spine tall and straight but comfortably. Hands resting on the knees. 3 deep inhale and even slower exhale. Bring both the hands to Gyan Mudra and let's chant one Om to begin the session. Inhale. Join your palms in front of your chest in Pranam Mudra. Bow your head down and set an intention for today's yoga class. Promise yourself to be on the mat during the session and be with your breath also. Very gently rub your palms. Apply the heat generated on your eyes and open the eyes looking towards the floor in front of you. Let's start with warm up. So today we will directly start from cat cow. Come to your all fours. Inhale, drop the belly, look up, hips out. Exhale, round the spine, head between the arms. Push your navel away from the mat. Inhale to cow. Exhale to cat. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now from here, let's start with a little bit of wrist conditioning. Inhale, shift your weight forward. Exhale, back to center. 1, 2, 3. And now turn your right palm inside and make a fist here 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Back to 0 and left 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and back to straight position. Let's move to down dog.
Let's pedal the legs here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now stay in down dog. Next 3 breath. Be with your breath. And now from here, place your right foot outside the right palm and left foot outside the left palm and fit in Malasana. Join your palms and fit here 3 breaths. Okay. Now place the palms in front of you and come to standing posture. Take your head towards the legs. Exhale, inhale, fit back. 1. Exhale, inhale, move slow. 2, and one last time. Exhale, inhale, 3, and this time exhale, go up, take your feet together with 5 to 6 inches gap between the feet and hang in ragdoll. Hold your elbows like this and swing side to side. Now drop the arms and roll your body up. Very nice. So now from here we are starting with sun salutation flow. There is around 4 inches or 5 inches according to your comfort. There is an equal gap between the feet and feet are parallel to each other. From where we will start. Hands will be resting on the thighs, chest will be out, and this will be the starting position. Let's start. Inhale, hands up from the sides. On exhale, Pranam Mudra. Inhale, take your both the hands up. Once they are aligned with ears, start hinging from your chest and then hips. Go back. Exhale to Padhastasana, hand to foot pose. Take your head towards the legs. And now from here, right leg back, pressing the palms on the mat. Ashav Sanchalan. Point the back toe, look front. Sink your hips down. Tuck the back toe. And let's move to plank. Eyes of the elbows should be facing each other. This way you will shift the strengthening task to your shoulders. Stay here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Knees, chest and chin on the mat. Ashtanga Namaskara, 8-limbed pose. Why it is 8-limbed pose? Because your 8 limbs are touching on the mat. 2 feet, 2 knees, 4, chest 5, 2 hands 7 and chin 8. Now point the toes, drop the belly and move to cobra. Elbows near the body and shoulders away from ears.
tuck the toes and meet me in Parvatasana. Now, from Parvatasana to Ashwasanchalan is usually a struggle for everyone. Those who are struggling, for them, you can raise your heels, shifting the weight towards the hands, creating space under the chest by pushing with your hands away. You can easily place your right foot between the palms. So, if you reach in between somewhere, it's totally fine if you drag your foot to the place between your hands. Drop the back knee, look front. Point the back toe and come to Padhastasana. Both hands up, Hastottanasana. Exhale to Padhastasana. Left leg back, look front, Ashwasanchalan. Right leg back, plank pose. Hold in plank. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Knees, chest and chin. Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale to Cobra. Exhale to Parvatasana. Left leg forward, Ashwasanchalan. Drop the back knee and point the back toe. Sink the hips down, look forward. Right foot forward, Padhastasana. Inhale to Hastottanasana. Exhale back to Padhastasana. Second round. Right leg back, Ashwasanchalan. Left leg back to plank. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Knees, chest and chin on the mat. Point the toes. Transition to Cobra. Exhale to Parvatasana. Right foot forward, Ashwasanchalan. Left foot forward, Padhastasana. Both hands up and back, Hastottanasana. Exhale to Padhastasana. Inhale to left leg back, Ashwasanchalan. Exhale to right leg back, plank pose. Stay in plank. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale knees, exhale, chest and chin on the mat. Inhale to Cobra. Exhale to Parvatasana.
Inhale to left foot forward, Ashwafan Exhale to Padhastasana. Inhale to Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale to Padhastasana. Inhale to Ashwafan. Exhale to plank pose. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale knees, exhale chest and chin on the mat. 8-limbed pose. Point the toes, drop the belly. Inhale to cobra. Tuck the toes, exhale to Parvatasana. Right foot forward, Ashwafan. Look forward. Exhale to Padhastasana, left foot forward. Inhale to Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale to Padhastasana, third round, left leg. Inhale to Ashwafan. Point the toes, exhale to plank pose. Last plank for hold. Engage your core, tuck in your ribs, eyes of the elbows facing each other, stay strong. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale knees, exhale chest and chin on the mat. Point the toes, drop the belly. Inhale to cobra. Tuck the toes, meet in Parvatasana. Inhale to left leg forward, Ashwafan. Look front. Exhale to Padhastasana. Tuck the back toe and bring it front between the palms. Inhale to Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale to Pranam Mudra. Inhale, hands up. Exhale to Samasthiti. Very good. We are done with 3 rounds. Now, from here, I want you to just fold forward in ragdoll. Relax here. And come to sitting posture. Both the arms straight and lie down in 5 count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Adjust yourself.
Some basic restorative poses that we do every day. Right ankle on left knee, threading the right hand between the legs, left outside the left leg, figure 4 stretch. Pulling the left chin towards the chest. Stay here, one breath. Let's switch the side. Left ankle on right knee, threading the left hand between the legs, right hand outside the right leg. Hold your right shin against the chest. Hold here. Release. Next is Markatasana. Both the feet mat width apart, parallel to each other. Interlock the fingers under the head. Drop your knees to the left. Look towards your right. Stay here. Inhale to center. Exhale to other side. Inhale to center. Both the knees up, holding the feet out to arc and swing side to side in happy baby pose. Release to Shavasana. And let's stay in Shavasana for 1 minute, releasing everything to the mat. Any stiffness in the body, any tension in the body, any thoughts we are carrying, especially those which are bothering us. Release everything to the earth and feel safe in the lap of Mother Earth. Stay here with your breath. Gently bring the awareness back. Move your toes very slowly. Wiggle your fingers one after the other. Turn your head to the right, then to the left. Bring your feet together. Interlock the fingers above head and stretch your body in Supta Tadasana. Bend the knees. Taking palms under the head, turn to any preferable side. Now taking support of the mat, come to seated posture. If possible, keep your eyes closed. Adjust yourself. Both the hands in Gyan Mudra. Check your posture. Spine should be straight. Head should be in line with the spine. Sit here for next 1 minute in silent meditation. Let's end the session with one Om chant. Inhale. Bring your both hands in Pranam Mudra. Bow your head down. Be thankful to yourself for showing up on the mat today. Promise yourself to bring you on the mat every day to meet yourself. Very gently rub your palms. Apply the heat generator on your eyes and open the eyes very slowly, looking towards the floor in front of you. Namaste everyone. Thanks for joining. See you tomorrow.